Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can go ahead and create a service order from production process. So first of all, let us go to our production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in production module, here is the list of all the production processes. Okay. So now please check. This is one of the production process which I have sent for the subcontract. Where you will get it? So you need to go in subcontract option. Please check. This is one of the production process which is already sent for subcontract. Now I have sent it in a subcontract module. Now I need to go ahead and create the document and make the transaction. How I can do it? Select this particular production process. Here you will get send order and here you will get revert subcontract. So once you will revert the subcontract, you will go back to production, and once you will click on send order, it will ask you to create the document. Let me show you. Click on send order. Here it will ask you the supplier name. I selected one of the supplier. As soon as I selected one of the supplier, a service order document get created from it, because I need to go ahead and capture in the system that what document I'm creating to capture this particular service. So here I will quickly go ahead and just select the service. So ironing is one of the service which I am purchasing on these material. So always remember that goods and services are different. So in service order, every time you need to mention what service you are purchasing, not the items on which service you are purchasing, like ironing, polishing. So always remember to add service here. I will give a transaction title here. So service of ironing. I will go below, put the quantity. So it is for 20 quantity. Price I will mention for 12 rupees each item. Tax 18% tax. Yeah. Going below, please check. This is one of I have provided each and every detail. You can go ahead and type the SSE code as in. So here the SSE code will go. I just entered a SSE code. Going below here, you can click on save and send. I'm really sorry, the delivery date you need to go ahead and mention. So I will quickly just go ahead and mention the delivery date. Going below, click on save and send. And here your service order is created. And now the next transaction is started in the service. I will click on view transaction. On your right hand side, here you will get create document option. From here, you can create the delivery challan in order to send the material out, and inward document to take the material in. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to create a service order after sending it in subcontract. Have a good day ahead.